What happens at your front door when you're not home? Or even when you are? A blurry, laggy video doorbell is worse than no doorbell at all. It gives you a false sense of security. I've tested 15 of the top models, day and night, in rain and glare, to find the ones with the clearest picture, the fastest alerts, and the smartest AI that can tell a person from a package or something else. Today, I'm revealing the 5 best that truly protect your home, and the number 1 pick spotted a threat so subtle, the others completely missed it. Starting at number 1. Google Nest Doorbell, Wired, 3rd Gen. Best video doorbell overall. Unveiled in October 2025, Google's 3rd Gen Wired Nest Doorbell, which we were able to test drive immediately following its announcement, now features intelligent alerts to tell you what's happening at your door, even if you're not home. In fact, AI is the biggest part of this IP65 weatherproof doorbell, though a Google Home Premium subscription, after 1 month for free, is required to unlock most of the interesting features. Google Nest can tell the difference between people, pets, packages, and vehicles, and push relevant notifications to your phone, while the Familiar Faces feature tells you who's there by name. If this sounds familiar, other video doorbells offer this feature, too, including Amazon's newest Ring devices. These also require a paid subscription to access these sought-after features. More on this in a moment. Nest Doorbell offers a fairly wide 166-degree field of view, the best we've seen in a Nest Doorbell to date, noise-free, clear night vision, though not in color, and 2K HDR images that are crisp, especially in daylight. Record your own or choose optional pre-recorded quick responses when the doorbell is pressed, like "Please place the parcel behind the large plant." Note that you need to enable the microphone and audio recording in the settings for the installed doorbell. The Google Home and Gemini enhanced features we played around with impressed, even when playing back pre-recorded videos from earlier in the day or week. For example, if a stranger came to your door, you can verbally ask in the app for more details or a summary of what transpired. It also lets you search video history simply by asking for something, like "Show me all courier deliveries yesterday," or "When did Jacob leave to go to work?" Number 2. Eufy Video Doorbell E340 with dual cameras. Best dual camera video doorbell. Why settle for just 1 camera in your video doorbell when you can have 2? To cover any potential blind spots, the Eufy Video Doorbell E340 houses dual 2K cameras, a front-facing lens that focuses on people at your doorstep, while the other is a downward-facing lens to view what's on your porch, such as packages or food deliveries. It leverages AI to detect faces and parcels, so you'll receive more accurate push notifications to your smartphone. The unique door-to-floor view is complemented by a dual light system that activates when motion is detected, along with color night vision that offers a surprisingly long distance of up to 16 feet. As for versatility, you can opt to hardwire this doorbell or choose to run it on battery power, which lasts up to 6 months on a single charge, according to Eufy, although this has not been tested for the full 6 months for this review. Note, the battery also powers the wired mode, but the wired power source tops up the battery to ensure it lasts a long time. Another benefit to this Eufy model is 8 GB of local storage, about 3 months worth of video recording via the app, based on an average of 30 videos, each 120 seconds, per day. But should that not be enough for you, it's expandable to up to 128 GB with a micro SD card, sold separately. Local storage is ideal for those who don't want to pay for a cloud service, like Ring, Blink, and Google require, to pull up previously recorded footage. Along with easy installation, other benefits include an intuitive Eufy security app, support for Google and Amazon Alexa smart devices, and IP65 weatherproof protection. Number 3. Reolink Smart 2K Plus Video Doorbell, Battery. Best for local storage. While Amazon's Ring and Google Nest may be synonymous with video doorbells, many buyers don't realize you need to pay to pull up videos of people at your front door after the fact. Yes, while live view and two-way talk are free, what if you wanted to see who was on your porch an hour ago? Or, what time did your teenagers come home last night? Reolink is one of those brands that doesn't charge for these videos as they're stored locally rather than in the cloud. While you need to provide it, this Reolink video camera supports micro SD cards up to 256 GB to store ample recordings locally. It's optional, but you can also connect to the Reolink Home Hub, sold separately, for expanded storage capacity or opt for a Video Doorbell Plus Home Hub combo. The doorbell supports Reolink's free app and notification service that lets you receive up to 25 image alerts with AI-based smart detection, people, packages or vehicles, per day. Number 4. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. Ring's Video Doorbell Pro 2 is a premium smart doorbell with a price tag to match. It offers excellent video resolution, recording video in 1536p HD, the best resolution of any Ring doorbell. The Pro 2 also features color night vision that works well and is easy to see in low light conditions. The field of view provides a top-to-bottom look at who is at your front door. You can also share and store videos, but you'll need a Ring Protect plan to do so. Features like two-way talk with noise and distortion cancellation provide the Pro 2 with the clearest and loudest sound of any Ring doorbell we've tested. The camera's motion sensor can detect deliveries, sending package alerts to your phone, with a paid plan. Number 5. Video Doorbell Dual Camera. The Eufy Video Doorbell Dual, with 2 cameras, is a hard-working watchdog to have on your side, especially if you receive frequent deliveries or live on a busy street. The front camera displays video in crisp and clear 2K resolution, and the rear camera faces downward to monitor deliveries in 1080p. The Dual can detect people and packages, as well as facial recognition, out of the box at no cost. Local storage is also available at no cost via the Eufy home base, which is included with the purchase of the doorbell. The doorbell operates on a rechargeable, built-in battery or can be connected to existing wiring. People concerned about porch pirates will appreciate Delivery Guard, a package management feature available for the Dual. It alerts the doorbell when a package is delivered and can automatically play custom audio recordings if it senses someone approaching the package after delivery, as well as reminding you to bring your delivery inside. And that doorbell isn't just a camera, it's your 24/7 automated security guard. If you're ready for true peace of mind, I've got links to all 5 of these top-tier video doorbells in the description below. Your home's first line of defense is just a click away. If this review made you feel more secure, please hit the like button and share this with your neighbors. Security is a community effort. Subscribe and hit the bell for more smart home security tips, because next week we're testing the new outdoor cameras with 200-foot night vision.